Free Tips channel.
Hi viewers, how are you all? Hope you all doing well. How many of you knew you can use your Jio Topup Balance to recharge your Jio prepaid mobile number? Yes, you heard it right. You can use your Jio Topup Balance to recharge your Jio number. If any cashback offers are live and you don't have any recharge to do, then you can top up your Jio SIM using that particular cashback offer. Later you can use that top-up balance to recharge your Jio number whenever you need. So you will not miss the cashback by doing this. So before starting this video, please subscribe to my channel and click on bell icon to get instant notification of all my upcoming such interesting videos. To recharge Jio SIM using top-up balance, you can do it using My Jio app. Today in this video, we will see how to recharge Jio prepaid number using Jio top-up balance in My Jio app. If you don't have it, download it from Play Store. Open My Jio app and log in with your Jio number and OTP. And click on Recharge option in main screen of My Jio app. Then select the recharge plan which you want to recharge and click on Recharge. Then it will redirect to payment page. On payment page, in Pay With, you will see option Account Balance, which is your top-up balance. Use it to recharge your Jio SIM. Remember, you can use this Jio top-up balance only when your recharge plan amount is less than or equal to your top-up balance. And if your recharge plan amount is higher than your current top-up balance, then it's not visible on your payment page. Currently one task of recharge and bills is there in Paytm Republic Day Festival offer in which you will get 3 rare stamps by doing mobile recharges. Link of this available in below description. You can top up your Jio SIM as specified in that video daily, until you collected all 3 rare stamps and you can use your top up balance to recharge your mobile like this.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and press bell icon. Don't forget to like, comment and share.